Looking for a reliable phone holder that fits most phones and keeps your device secure during any outing? This durable, flexible silicone holder is designed to stretch and fit a wide range of phone sizes, making it the perfect companion for parents on the go or anyone who needs hands-free convenience. Installation is a breeze thanks to the smart strap design. Simply attach the C-clamp to your stroller, bicycle, or shopping cart, then stretch the silicone band around your phone like a belt. It's snug, secure, and won't slip, even with a thick phone case. Plus, the 360-degree rotation lets you adjust your phone's angle for easy viewing, whether you prefer portrait or landscape mode. At Love & Care, we're committed to making life simpler and more enjoyable for parents and their little ones. Our products meet high-quality standards and global trends, combining safety and simplicity inspired by nature. This phone holder fits right into that mission by offering a practical, safe solution for busy families. Customers across the United States have praised this phone holder for its ease of use and versatility. One user shared how it works perfectly with their Galaxy S21 in a thick case, while also securely fitting smaller phones like the iPhone SE 2020. It's flexible enough for large phones but not designed for tablets, ensuring a tailored fit every time. The silicone material strikes the perfect balance between stretch and firmness. It holds your phone tightly in place without risking damage or slipping off. Whether you're jogging with your stroller, biking, or navigating a busy store with a cart, this holder keeps your phone accessible and visible without any hassle. If you're tired of fumbling with bulky phone mounts or worrying about your device falling, this silicone phone holder is worth a look. It's easy to install, fits most phones, and adapts to your lifestyle with its versatile mounting options and 360-degree rotation. Ready to make your outings smoother and keep your phone safe and within reach? Try this silicone phone holder when you're ready. It's a practical, dependable choice that helps you stay connected without interrupting your day.